Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products with a brand new item from our friends over at Fleece Performance. This is a upgraded thermostat housing for the 11 to 25 6.7 Powerstroke people out there. Now, a lot of times what you'll find is with even the aftermarket upgrades, but the OEM one in particular is plastic. Therefore, over time, it gets brittle, it cracks, and then you find your coolant leaking out of this particular unit. Well, Fleece has completely fixed that problem and included everything you need for a seamless installation. It is a durable cast aluminum housing, so much stronger than the plastic ones that come on the truck, and better yet, you get all the O-rings you need in this kit. So if you want to do a little preventative maintenance or you do have a cracked thermostat housing, you can pick one up today at dieselpowerproducts.com or just click the link in the bio.